Hey guys, what's going on? It's Lewis here with Crypto Elite, and in today's video I'm going to be going over a few cryptocurrencies and just sharing you my market update. It's going to be very quick. There is not too much to go over, but let's start out with Bitcoin. If you look at Bitcoin on the weekly, we are still clearly in this downtrend. This candle was horrendous. We are experiencing a dead cat bounce right now. I do not expect it to move very high. The highest it can go is the 6,000 region right here. If it does reach this region, which I do not think it will on this first attempt, this is an instant shorting opportunity. There is a very, very, very small chance that it will actually break through 6,000, considering how much support was actually here. And you know what they say, support turns into resistance. So if it does reach this level, then instant short zone. Let me get this out of here. The other thing that you could do is you can take the Fibonacci from the top to the bottom and go in just a little bit, right? If you do that, boom, boom. These are some levels to look at. Right now we're hesitant on the 236. The next level is the 382 at 4,771. And then the final level is the 61.8. So I will be shorting 100%. I will be shorting right here at this level. And I might aim for a short right here as well. Okay, so that is Bitcoin. Oh, just to be a little bit more clear, if we bring this back up here, if it does come up and then we get the rejection, I am thinking that it will come down to this level right here because this is the 88.6% Fibonacci retracement. It's the 200-week moving average. It's the trend line from all the way from 2017. If it looks a little bit, could be a little bit better. There you go. Looks a little bit better that way. Anyway, it's the trend line from 2017, 200 weekly moving average, 88.6% Fibonacci. And we have the support right here, the support right here, the resistance right here, the resistance right here, the resistance right here. So a lot of confluence right here. This is the zone that I'm going to be longing at, around just about 3,000. You know, anywhere between 3,200 to 2,800. Yeah, 3,200 to 2,800. That's where I'm going to be longing Bitcoin. Other than that, I'm going to be shorting every single pop. Let's go on to Ethereum. Looking at Ethereum right now, looks like a big pile of trash. I think all of the ICOs that were in existence have been selling off their Ethereum in droves over the past 6 months, and that is what has been causing this huge decline. So let's just see right here. Look at this gigantic, this is the biggest fucking candle we've ever seen, which actually might signal some type of reversal, but I doubt it. You know, this might be a selling climax. However, I don't really think that it is. I think it's going down to this level right here. You could see there is, on the weekly, lots of support, lots of resistance right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 5 weeks all the way back here of resistance and about 3 weeks of support around these levels. Where we are right now is not really a level. Maybe if I check the fib, maybe it's the 88%. Oh my god, look at how, jeez, this is not good, man, not good. Let's check it out here. Yeah, I mean, it's below, I guess you could say it's right here. It's this level. No, it's below here. Yeah, it's really not at any significant level that it's bouncing off of or anything like that. Either way, I'm not into ETH. Same thing as Bitcoin. I'm shorting it if it goes up. All right, let's move on to XRP. Everyone loves XRP, right? XRP, to me, this looks like some gigantic bull flag, and it's just gonna do a little whoop, do that. That's what I'm hoping for. I do believe XRP is going to be the #1 most profitable cryptocurrency in 2018, 2017, 2016. It's always the most profitable. So I think it's gonna be the most profitable next year as well. So I'm looking to load up on my bags right now while we have these rock bottom prices. As you can see, we are in this channel right here, and there are a lot of resistance right here, which now becomes the support. So this is where I'm going to, this is where I'm going to put my most buy orders. I'm going to put some buy orders right over here around 34 cents because this is in case we get a double bottom. We get a little double bottom and then pop up. And then I'll sell over here at the trend line that is up above the price. And if it comes down here to this level, I'm going to buy it because this is the trend line all the way from July 2017. And also lots of resistance, close enough to the support over here. And I could just have a stop loss, down here if it does break below this triangle. That's XRP. Let's go to ADA. ADA looking like it might have bounced a little bit. Maybe we'll see a repeat of this right here where it went up about 40%. Right now it's up around 20%. Possible, maybe. I do like how the MACD has been showing it's been moving up. As you can see, it's been moving up. Nice histogram. While the price right here, the price was moving down. Price kept on moving down, but the histogram kept on moving up, and it's about to possibly move to the upside. So, with that, let me just check to see if there's any. Yeah, just move to the upside on the daily. 1, 2. This might be the 5th wave, right? 3. It's possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not really comfortable longing, to be honest. I'm just not. I mean, obviously, we're in a downtrend. I'm not comfortable longing. I am much more comfortable dollar cost averaging into ADA because I believe in the project, and it is around 4 cents, which is amazing in my opinion. So I'm just gonna continue to small, dollar cost average with small amounts into ADA. Let's look at XLM. XLM, XLM has the Coinbase listing. It's supposed to be listed on Coinbase. That's what this whole run up was over here, right? Or at least this run up, but it just totally tanked. So now we have this whole area being the new resistance. So this is all now resistance. So if it comes up to here, maybe 10%, maybe pop up 10%, this is going to be a heavy resistance. So I'm not really looking to long XLM because it is below all of the moving averages, and it is, it just popped up to touch it now. Usually comes back down, as you could see, pretty much everywhere. So yeah, it's in a pretty steep downtrend. Let's look at the 4-hour right here. Yeah, so maybe it'll come up. I'm not gonna play XLM. I'm out of XLM. Let's look at ZRX though. ZRX, really liking ZRX because I did make this trade. I did call this trade. This was my buy zone. As you can see, it was the trend line support, and it was also the 88% fib retracement from the bottom to the top. So that was pretty cool. And now I'm up about 20%. Well, now about 17%. Still not too bad. I'll I'll just keep this until my sell zone up here. If it breaks below the support trend line, then you know I'm out. I'm gonna be stopped out, but I'll just keep this until it reaches the trend line support that has touched all of these times, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And you could even be conservative and bring it all the way down here, and you know, say this is where you'll sell at the 61.8, which lines up with the trend line. So, you know, either or works out pretty well. ZRX, I'm not going to buy anything. If it comes back down here, does a little tap of the support line, I will buy it. So let me put that right here. And I'll just say if it comes back down right there, I'll buy it. Put a little alert in. Buy zone at the trend line support. All right. That's ZRX. Now let's move on to ZEC, Zcash. Zcash, you could see support was all the way back here. Support, support, support. Kept on touching the support, kept on moving up. Can you imagine just playing this range over and over and over again? Like right when it touched the support right here from back here, you know, you would have gotten, and then you just sell, you know, right here, could have got 15%. Comes back and touch the support, sell right here again, another 15%. And then it comes up, comes back down, bought it right here, another 15%. Could have kept on getting 15%. Right now, though, look at it. It's at the top, and it did have a nice little wick up. So what do you think it's going to do? Well, personally, I think it's going to come right back down and then go back up. That's probably what it's going to do. So I'm definitely not going to be buying Zcash right now. I'll wait for it to come back down. There was some other ones that, you know, we were looking at. I did see mentioned in other places. Well, it's WePower. You can see the histogram for the MACD is turning down. That's not a good sign. It's turning down even though we did see a higher high. Not really looking to buy into WePower right now. Yeah, that doesn't look too good on the 12-hour. On the daily, maybe if it comes back down, and it has to come back down to a good level though. I need it, although I don't know, it looks like a double top, so not really looking into that. I don't know if there's really any other coins that I'll be looking at right now, simply because it's just such a negative bear season. I don't want to be buying and trading cryptocurrencies. I just want to see what the heck has happened to VET. Oh, VET's been doing not too bad over the past. Nice little double bottom here. I've noticed that there's been a lot of double bottoms and then spike ups. So is this a bottom? Is this a local bottom? Could be. We did get the you know, resistance right here, which was from all of this. Broke out of that. So maybe you could do this right here, bring it up. Possible play for a VET. I like VET. Possible, oops, let me just get my alert in. Possible buying opportunity. Stop loss. Keep going. All right, I'll put an alert there for VET. See if there's any other cryptos out there. We did all of these. We did everything. Ooh, ZIL. I don't think I did ZIL. So let's see. Checking out ZIL. I think ZIL's gonna be doing really well in January. It did go a little bit past my instant buy zone, broke past it. So yeah, I would have gotten stopped out. I would have got stopped out, but did end up moving 5% up right now. It was 17% up before. If it comes back down, back down to here, back down to the support, that's where I'll buy. At support, instant buy. All right. So I'm gonna move this. I'm just gonna move this down here, right? Instant buy zone. I'm gonna move this down here as well. You know, I could get rid of this. Well, get rid of this. Get rid of this. Yeah, let's get rid of all this shit. I don't need any of this. Take the fib. Let's see here. Actually, I might take a chance if it comes back down to the 61.8 because you could see lines up precisely with this wick, which is pretty good. Pretty good confluence. And it also lines up pretty well with that. I don't know whether to just buy it here or, you know, hope for a higher low, or to just, you know, wait. What I'll do is I'll set an alert. I'll just set an alert, and I'll check it out. And then if it bounces, then I'll buy it, and set a quick stop loss. Check price to see if it bounces off 61.8. Does, buy with a tight stop loss. Up. Sell quickly. Anything that you're thinking of buying in this market, unless you're hodling it for a long time, dollar cost averaging for your investment fund, you better sell it quickly because it's just gonna sell. People are gonna sell as soon as it bounces, you know, for any of these. And yeah, so that was Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, ADA, XLM, WePower, VET, ZIL, ZRX, ZEC, and that's what I'm doing. I also have the crypto report that I'm giving out to all of you guys. You know, if you're a member of the Crypto Elite crew, if you're not, you could sign up at cryptoelite.com. And I'll see you all later. All right, bye.